Alright guys, for stock handbrakes, this is an S14. When you come to the point where you have stretch cables and you tighten this nut all the way and you still don't have what it feels like enough to lock the rear, at least to slow you down, and they don't make new cables. So an alternative to going to Z32 brakes, you can take what I did is take out your e-brake assembly, this 12, that 12. You can grind off this right here, pop the cable off, take this nut off all the way, and you can take your whole e-brake assembly out. So then, right where this notch is, right here, you'll have to take a Dremel and Dremel in. It's a stop. Smooth it out. That way this rod can come further out. Stack a few washers, put your nut back on, and this cable was stretched completely to where it didn't even engage. I'm halfway through the threaded rod now. That's all I can get. I still have another half-inch to probably about a half-inch to 3/4 of an inch more threads to pull, but at this point, I don't need it. So since they don't make new brake cables, easy way to fix that. Stack some washers, drill out that stop, and you're good to go.